In 2035, Hong Kong's job market has undergone a revolutionary transformation thanks to artificial intelligence and robotics. Global tech leaders are now predicting that humans may not need to work within the next 20 years.
Here at Hong Kong's Future Workforce Innovation Center, we're seeing firsthand how automation is reshaping industries. Back in 2025, one tech visionary predicted work could become optional for many people.
Joining us is a virtual economist. Which roles disappear first as automation scales?
AI accelerates routine tasks first. Data entry, customer service, logistics coordination, accounting support, and junior admin roles. These jobs are predictable and repetitive, ideal for systems that process non-stop, with instant decisions and zero fatigue. Humans aren't replaced. AI removes repetition, freeing people for creative, strategic, and deeply interpersonal work.
From automated offices to robotic service staff, AI is handling tasks once performed by humans. Logistics, education, and construction industries have all seen significant automation adoption. However, we're also seeing new hybrid work models where humans focus on creative and strategic tasks.
Automation reshapes daily life in Hong Kong's smart homes. Residents receive universal basic income in digital HKD, arriving seamlessly into trusted wallets. Parents explore hobbies, composing music, painting, designing. Time expands as chores and scheduling run autonomously. Elderly enjoy AI-managed parks with clean energy and smart mobility, promoting health, safety, and community. Over the skyline, a shared vision glows. AI and humans cooperating to build a new era.
As we look to the future, Hong Kong's workforce continues to evolve, embracing the possibilities of artificial intelligence.